Alrighty guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Moroccanoil Dry Shampoo company, Moroccanoil. And yeah, this dry shampoo is really nice. Basically, the reason I got this was that I go camping a lot. I'm constantly in the outdoors, and especially the places we go, whether we're camping or backpacking or we're just on the road somewhere, we don't always have access to fresh water to shower in, or just like showers in general. And so after you're out there for so long, it's like, okay, I can go without the doing the shower thing, but I have kind of long hair, so I don't want it to be feeling nasty and greasy and everything. So I was introduced to this dry shampoo kind of concept, and this is the one that I got, and I really don't have any bad things to say about it. So yeah, I'll talk about it, and we can kind of get down to the facts. So this one is for light tones. As you can see, there are multiple different bottles. Some of them say dark tones, others say different things. I'm not really sure. I can really only speak for the light tones. It's because I have lighter hair, kind of like a blonde, brown sort of thing. So this is the one that I got, and so far it's been pretty cool. I can't complain. So if you have kind of like average light brown, blonde hair, this is more, I guess, directed towards you. First impression when I started using this stuff is that it goes on really nicely. Some hair products can be like they just leave like nasty residues, and sometimes they'll feel really heavy. I used this other dry shampoo before I used this one, and that was like my impression with dry shampoos for a while, is that they all kind of felt like that. So it was nice getting something that is lightweight, that doesn't leave a lot of the nasty stuff in your hair, and doesn't make you feel gross or greasy or gritty or whatever. So yeah, it's very lightweight. It smells really nice, which is another thing. I can't really like describe the smell. It's just like fresh. It smells really fresh. It's not overpowering at all. Very subtle, but and it really only lasts for a few minutes. But it does leave you with a fresher scent than if you would have had like dirty, greasy hair. The only thing is that I did notice is that it may be slightly powdery if you use too much of it. And when I say that, it's not like you'll have actual powder on your hair, but you'll feel this different kind of layer, this texture on your hair if you use too much. But besides that, I mean, it's pretty solid, so you shouldn't have to, worry, I guess, too much about that. As for the actual design of the bottle, I really love the look of this thing. It's nice, it's slim. It looks like something that a professional would use. It's a 5.4 ounce design. That's how much is actually in here. You got the cap on top. Your typical spray, right there. You can easily spray that. It's just very clean looking. It's got a very minimal design. And it'll last you a while if you're not using it too much. And really, you shouldn't have to use this too much. I mean, for the most part, I only ever use it if there's not really a shower available. So if I'm out or camping or maybe staying somewhere where it's just a little more difficult to get in a good shower, then I would say that's when this stuff really shines. On the other hand, one thing I will say that is, if you're going for longer than a few days, and I've been on trips where we were out there for 5-6 days and I've had this, and after a few days of not washing your hair, this stuff is not really going to help you that much. You're gonna, if you're out there for 3 days and you're hiking and sweating and whatever, and you try and say oh, I can just spray this on my hair, it's gonna be fine, it's gonna take all the grease and grime and grit away. No, not really. That's not gonna happen. This stuff is really meant to just do small jobs, so I wouldn't expect it to work any miracles. But even with that being said, I think it does a really excellent job. It really does exactly what it's supposed to, and honestly, I can't complain. So if you're looking for a solid dry shampoo, definitely check out this Moroccanoil Dry Shampoo, and keep that hair looking nice and fresh, y'all. Alrighty, you guys, take it easy.